The name of this mission is Mission Espada. And typical to all the mission complexes, they're about the same. Church, room for military, room for converted natives. Outside the walls, room for fields, animals. Missions were an important part of Spain taking over the New World. This appears to be a still working mission. Isn't it pretty? This is the aqueduct built for the Mission Espada to bring it water for the people inside the mission to survive. To assure a constant flow of water to Mission Espada's fields and people, the Franciscans and Indians dug ditches curving along the contours of the land. Only here were they required to go back to the ancient ways and build an aqueduct.